Okay, what are the pros and cons of a command of message? And let's use in Gitlab as an example. So it consists of, if you watch the previous video, the value driver. So for Gitlab, they can see the these three as the main value drivers. So when customers come look for Gitlab, they're thinking about how can we increase operational efficiency? How can we deliver better products faster and reduce security and compliance risks? And then from these three drivers, it came the different pains and needs and before and after scenario, and also the required capabilities to solve the problem. So if we look at, say, increasing operational efficiency, then there's the before, maybe it's a manual process, and then the tools they use, there are many tools to do to do the job, can be all custom built, on scale, and things like this nature. And then and also will be the negative consequences, which will be the pain. So before it's more like a stating a fact, and the negative consequences is the pain they are facing. And also, same will be after. This is what we have, and then positive outcomes. These are the benefits we will get. We reduce the costs, saving time, and make people, developers happier. And then the required capabilities. So, and you can see, like, we are not talking about just one vendor. I think that's the key of command of message. You want to address customer where they are with or without your solution. So you talk about the required capabilities will be, you want to have consistent experience. You need to have a centralized reporting and visibility. So whichever tool needs to be able to centralize that. And then at point of code change, developers can assess and resolve security compliance issues quickly, not at the other points. And it can be SaaS or self-managed, depending on your needs. And then the metrics part is like how, if we are going to acquire this solution, what are the metrics that people will use to build business case to convince their management, this is worth spending your money. So it can be typically increase productivity, reduce time, and lower the costs, and reduce the change failure rate, etc. And very key thing here is that how we do it and how we do it differently. So how we do it is just, I think it covers the fundamentals, but it's really the better part where you differentiate, because probably people are also do it similarly, but this is the part where, okay, we are only single application, we build for multi-clouds, whereas other vendors may only have one cloud, and we have professional services to help you roll out if you don't have the manpower to implement. And then we give some proof points based on that. Say, here we can see that SMB, they are mid-market, and then also enterprise, and then in different industries, they are finance, they are technology sectors. Then, so say you are targeting your ICP as I say, mid-market technology companies, then Alteryx could be a good one, and then you can click and read into that to see. And there's a case study, and also there's an industry reward. We can show them, maybe the Forest report, the Gartner, maybe you are in a certain quadrant in the nature. And then, there's some discovery question to ask to get that information. Okay, and then we come to the second value driver. Now, I would say the good things with command of message is that it's a clear picture. It lays out, it shows you before, after, what the ICP is facing, and then what are the capabilities to bridge the need, and the metrics to help you build business case. And then I think these are also the differentiators. People should check out the proof points. And